everyone, my name is Nadan Herwisa. I am from class Management 28. Aggregate demand and supply, wage price and unemployment. Context of this material: aggregate demand, aggregate offer, aggregate supply demand and classic view, aggregate supply demand in Keynes view, modern Keynes approach, understanding wage, understanding price, definition of unemployment. Request aggregate. Aggregate demand is all demand for goods and service that occurs in an economy, both from within the country and from abroad. Many factors affect the amount of aggregate demand, including the general price level, nominal money circulation, the number of government work, and utilization of labor and others. The factor that cause the aggregate demands to have a negative slope out. The number one wealth effect. The cost used by producers depend on the wealth they have, but have a positive relationship, and then interest price invert. The interest price effect is inverted because change in the price level affect the interest price. This affect production and investment. And finally, foreign securities export and import. The amount of export and import in an economy depends on domestic and foreign price. Aggregate. As for what is meant by aggregate supply US is the sum of all final goods and services in the economy that are sold or offered by firms at various price levels. In other words, it can be said that aggregate in basically and total view of all final goods and service products in the economy. Aggregate supply in an economy influenced by several factors as follows: the size of the labor force, the amount of capital stock, our size of capital stock, stage or level of technology, our stage of technology, the natural rate of unemployment, price of factor of production. Aggregate demand supply in the class clause. The classic model is based on the assumption that the economy operates like a means that can adjust or could automatically tends to move towards equilibrium at the level of full employment. Keynes' view of aggregate supply and demand. With relation to aggregate supply, Keynes and his followers said that the short-line aggregate supply curve in horizontal, which means that a certain amount of real be supplied the certain price level. In other words, a company will supply what quantity and good demand at the prevailing price level. Modern Keynes approach. The original Keynesian approach said the wages were fixed, Modern financial theory asserts that the weak and flexible change quality slowly but are not fixed. Understanding weakness. According to Article 1 number of law number, which are the length of workers leisure and expressed in the form of many as a word from the entrepreneur or employer to work, which are determined and paid according to an employment agreement or laws and regulation, including awards for work and their family for a job and our service that has been or will be performed. Understanding price. Price is the amount of money that consumers have to pay to sell to get the goods service they want to buy. Therefore, prices are generally determined by the seller of service owner. Definition of unemployment. Unemployment or unemployment is a term for people who do not work at all, are looking for work less than 2 days a week, or someone who is trying to get a decent job. Thank you. See you later.